Welcome students. Today we are going to learn poem number 21 and the poem's name is Flint. Now this poem is about how flint is useful to us. This poem written by Christina Rossetti. Okay. Now here are some flints. Okay, but what is the flint? Flint means massive hard stone which produces spark and light as fire. चमकदार पत्थर जिसे लोहे पर रगड़ने से फायर निकलती है. This is a flint. Okay. In this poem there are phrases or words used which are called similes. These words called similes. So simile is a phrase or a word that compares something to other thing. So usually while comparing words like as, or then, generally people speaks as white as snow. This is an example, as white as snow. Okay, means this is a figure of speech and that is called simile. In the similes, two things compared. Okay, so we'll see the poem. Here I will read this poem and then explain it. Poem name is Flint. An emerald is as green as grass, a ruby red as blood, a sapphire shines as blue as heaven, a flint lies in the mud. Next stanza. A diamond is a brilliant stone to catch the world's desire. An opal holds a fiery spark, but a flint holds fire. This is written by Christina Rossetti. Now look here. Here is the first sentence. An emerald is as green as grass. Now here the poet comparing the precious stone emerald, which is in green color, with the beautiful green color grass. This emerald compared with the green grass. Okay. Now second sentence is here. A ruby red as blood. Here ruby is another precious stone which is in red color. It's compared with blood. It's like a blood. Okay. Now here a sapphire as blue as heaven. Sapphire is also a precious stone which has blue. Okay. Like a sky. It is a blue like sky. Here the poet used word heaven, which means the house of God above the sky. Heaven means it's a house of God which is above the sky. So the poet wants to say that the sapphire is blessed with the heavenly blue color. Sapphire is blessed with heavenly blue color. Now next, here is a flint lies in the mud. Flint lies in the mud. Why it say? Poet says that flint lies in the mud. Why it is? Now we find flint lying in the mud. The poet refers to all the stones, beautiful precious stones, that is emerald, ruby, sapphire, okay, which has beautiful colors. But flint lying in the mud. Now why is it lying in the mud? Because of its dark color. Okay. So its muddy appearance. It called lying in the mud. It is often found lying in the mud because now if you see a precious stone, they are so pretty. so sparkling. We usually pick it up, but flint is dirty, which is lying in the mud, so it's rejected and no one takes notice of it. Okay, so poet says that a flint lies in the mud. Then, a diamond is a brilliant stone to catch the world's desire. Okay, now we all know what is diamond. It's a costly and precious stone. Here, brilliant means bright and it catches world's desire. World's desire means everyone in the world has a strong wish to own it. Everyone want to have this diamond. The next two lines and last two lines here. An opal holds a fiery spark, but a flint holds fire. What is here? Now this opal, if you have seen the stone, you can see that as though there are sparks within it. And the poet Christina Rossetti says that a flint holds a fire. Now, as I told you, flint is a very ordinary stone to look at, but it is used to produce fire. Okay, it's an ordinary stone, but it is useful to produce the fire. In the Stone Age also that people rub to flint stones to produce the fire. So, though it looks simple, but it's hold fire. It holds fire. Okay, we already learned in the history that Stone Age peoples use some stones to produce the fire. Okay, this poem is something about flint, which is not so good, not so beautiful, but it is useful for our life. This poem also reminds us a proverb. Which proverb? That is, don't judge a book by its cover. Which proverb here? Don't judge book by its cover. Means one shouldn't prejudge the worth or value of something by its outward appearance. Okay, means flint is ordinary stone, but it's very useful for our life. Okay, now here are some new words. First is heaven. Heaven means the sky. Then brilliant means very bright. Third is world's desire. Everyone in the world has a strong wish to own it. Then fiery, like fire or very bright. Then fifth is flint, very hard grey stone that is used to produce sparks and light a fire. Now here question and answers. First is, where does a flint lie? A flint lies in the mud. Second is, a flint attractive or colorful? Answer is no. A flint is not attractive or colorful like some other precious stones. Third is, what can a flint produce? Answer is flint can produce sparks and light a fire. So today we have learnt about preciousness and beautifulness of flint. So now homework is write questions, answers in notebook which are given below the poem. Okay. So thank you. Bye.